After all this mounting pressure against the president's policies at the border, we've also been reporting on more than 2,300 undocumented children across the U.S., many right here in our area. They have actually been separated from their families.
Our next guest, Jose Xavier Orochena, is an attorney who represents a mother who we're told is now in Arizona, but her 3 children, ages 10, 8, and 5, are at the facility in East Harlem where Kirsten Cole was reporting this morning. So good morning to you, and thank you for coming in this morning. Good morning. This is a difficult situation for everybody who is hearing this. Can you explain how this happened? The 10, 8, and 5-year-old are here. The mother's in Arizona. How do we get them back together now?
So the mother approached the border at near Texas, the McAllen area. Once she approached the border, she surrendered to authorities, and her children were physically removed from her. She was eventually sent over to Eloy, Arizona detention facility, and her children, somehow, some way, I don't even know why they were sent to New York City area. The family contacted our firm, and we have been representing mother from Eloy, Arizona, and we've been trying to get in contact with the children here in New York unsuccessfully. We're glad, we've been trying for weeks now. We're glad the story broke, and we're able to shed light on this.
There are several facets of this story. We have some pictures of the kids because you were finally able to get at least that. How is it that her children were shipped to another state? I mean, I can't fathom this as a mother. Why is it that they are just being shipped and no one is being told?
There's no database like for adults. Right now I can track my client, where she is in Eloy. I can track her movement throughout the detention facilities. However, there is no public database for children. I called immigration court at 26 Federal Plaza. The immigration attorney stated that no, the kids are in Eloy, Arizona. Their system still shows them being in the Eloy, Arizona or Texas facilities.
So how'd you find them in Harlem?
Because a social worker finally got in contact with the family members that the mother had asked them to send the children to. Unfortunately, there's so many requirements, and I understand why the facility has these requirements. They want to make sure that they send them to appropriate family. However, the family has been unsuccessful, unable to meet every detailed requirement to allow them to be released to them in North Carolina.
I mean, moving forward now, not only in this case, but you actually said during the commercial break you don't think some of these families will ever be reunited because of the way the system works.
Unfortunately, most of these migrants are poor. They're coming from poor situations, unable to afford an attorney. So if the family, if the mother or the father or both are deported and the children remain here, there is a possibility that they go through the family court system. There's a court date. They ask mom or dad to appear. Neither one of them appear.
Because they've been deported. Right.
So then once you're deported, there is absolutely no legal way for you to come back. So
and how do you find them once they've been deported too?
And there's a chance that their rights, their parental rights, have been terminated in the absentia.
Jose, thank you so much.
That is just more heartbreak on top of a story that's already outrageous. All right, thank you so much.
Thank
you for what you're doing.
Thank you.